This here is my 2007 Yamaha TW200. It has a bunch of work to it. You can see it is quite dusty because I don't ride it much anymore. I typically get it out maybe once or twice a year to ride with my brother and my dad, and that time is coming up. The biggest problem I have with this bike is not because of the bike, it's because of me, and I'm short. So my inseam is not very long, which makes it difficult to touch the ground. Because of that, I've got this low seat foam from Bradley Performance along with the cover, and I'm going to try to get this thing installed. I don't know how hard or difficult it will be, but we'll find out together. Before we get started, I would love to take you a quick walk around of this bike and show you some of the work that I've done to it. Like I said, it's 2007 Yamaha TW200, which is a fantastic platform for me. The first thing I did was swap out this front tire. If you know, you know. Of course, I bought it used, so some of the work was already done to it. There is a plate underneath for impact. I wrapped the exhaust because it was a little hot. Of course, got these front and rear luggage racks, a custom headlight that kind of looks like a jack-o'-lantern. It's kind of funny, and it, of course, turns orange. That switches up here on the dash. Some handlebar risers with some ATV handlebars that are Pro Taper handlebars. These risers are Rock Speed FX. Nonetheless, and then you got a quad lock, waterproof wireless charger, some handle guards, adjustable length levers that are also branded, which is funny. I like these mirrors, so I'm keeping them on. What else here? Some different foot pegs, EBC rear brakes. Of course, blinkers, custom 3D printed adapters there, a tail tidy with an aftermarket LED tail light. Everything has been swapped to LEDs, including the bulbs on the inside of here. So yeah, pretty sweet. I love this bike, and I'm sure I'm forgetting some stuff. It's a nice bike, and hopefully we'll make it a little bit nicer for me. I don't plan to get rid of it anytime soon. I think this is year 3 with this bike. I love this bike. I think it's perfect for what I do and how often I ride. I used to have a Honda 700 and a 1984 Sabre, and that thing was pretty sick. I rode a lot more back then, but this fits me better for what I'm doing and you know, the community that I have right now with my brother and my dad. So we'll try to get this new seat foam on. I'm pretty excited. I hope you guys are too. Stick around, and we'll see just how difficult this is. This kit did come with some instructions, so we're gonna take a look. I was just taking a look at this cover. They say to put this in the sun and whatnot, so I'll be doing that eventually. Oh yeah, that's definitely an improvement. It's not perfect, but hey. This foam is a lot more soft than the original, which makes sense if it's smaller. But yeah, I think this will work great. Just gotta install it. Off camera, I went ahead and installed it. I used 1/4-inch staples out of an electric staple gun and hammered them in when they did not go in all the way. However, it worked out pretty well. I opted to not put the plastic on the foam, like the plastic barrier layer for waterproofing, because I didn't want to see the lines, and I'm not that great at doing this. So I didn't want to see the wrinkles in here, so just left that off. The last one didn't have it, and it lasted over 20 years. So if this lasts 20 years, great. So put the strap back on. That's the original strap. It looks okay. I enjoyed the look of the other one better, but if this gets me lower to the ground and does its job, then I'm not going to complain too much. So let's get this thing installed and take it for a test drive. Thanks again for watching this video. If you like this one, you'll probably enjoy some of my other content. it definitely lowered my seating position by a good bit. You can see there's some wrinkles in it from shipping, but I imagine those will flatten out in the sun. My bike is still incredibly dirty, but it's definitely an improvement. Not as low as I'd like to get, but definitely lower. So